Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to briefing on Thursday, the 20th of October. So, you can all tell what the weather's doing out there just at the moment. Rain, more rain and heavy rain, certainly for this morning. It's all associated with this slow-moving, wiggling series of fronts, but it's just a little bit unpredictable as to where exactly they're heading for. Different forecast models show the rain in slightly different places during the morning, but they all seem to show it sort of clearing through lunchtime-ish, depending. Some say by 1 o'clock, some say later than 2, but sort of just watch and see, really. In here, it's quite slack southerly winds. It's not moving particularly quickly. And this low pressure, as you can see, I showed you yesterday and again today, as you roll forward another 12 hours, it's starting to head towards us. And then for tomorrow, we're just on a series of weak weather fronts with some rain on them and lots of cloud. The weekend hopefully shows a little bit more promise with a cold front clearing through, but this is sort of reappeared on the chart. So who knows for Saturday. Right, TAFs. The Farnborough TAF, I'm not entirely sure it bears any resemblance to what's going on out the window at the moment. 210, 4 knots, yeah, light southerly. Fog, overcast at 100 feet. Don't think that's certainly the case at Farnborough at the moment. Nor is the first thing this morning between 6 and 10 kVs, no significant weather scattered at 1200 feet. There's certainly significant weather. So we're into the sort of the rain and drizzle, prob 30 showers and rain and tempo showers and rain till sort of 3 o'clock. They're covering all their bases. Essentially, it looks like it's going to rain this morning, clearing up sometime this afternoon. Gatwick, obviously, a much bigger TAF because it covers things into tomorrow. So 21st, it's sort of saying between 6 and 12 showers and rain broken at 1400 feet. And again, southerly wind picking up in the morning tomorrow to 18, gusting 28 knots. Right, upper winds. You can see they're coming in from the southwest, being driven that way by the winds at 25,000 feet, but the winds at flying heights, southwesterly, just light, really, 5 to 10 knots. Nothing strong today. And the sat pick just shows lots and lots of cloud streaming up from the south, with odd gaps, and the whiter bits, bright whiter bits, are the rain, as you can see on the rainfall radar. We're actually about there. So it looks like we've got one band just clearing through now, drying a little bit, and another one coming through here for the next couple of hours, coming up from northern France. More cloud, more rain, but hopefully a clearance behind it and some flying a little bit later. Temperature wise, a little bit like yesterday, really. Lighter winds, so it might feel a fraction warmer, but sort of 14, 15 degrees. So it is definitely coat weather out there for today, but certainly for the moment, until it stops raining, it'll be sort of 12 degrees or thereabouts. Forecast cloud map from Top Meteo shows what we've got out the window now. You might get brighter bits as there's a gap between the bands of rain. As the morning goes on, it slowly rises. That's 12 o'clock. By 2 o'clock, they're showing it looking a bit better around us as the rain has cleared. And then a nice afternoon. And it'll all depend on timing. It might be a little bit earlier than we think, looking at the current rainfall radar. I'll quickly show you the Top Meteo version of the rainfall prediction. That's sort of 10 o'clock. Move it forward a couple of hours. They're saying still by 12, 1 o'clock, raining here, not clearing till 2, gone 2 o'clock. Sky sight, a little bit more optimistic, 12 o'clock, rain going past us. And by 2 o'clock having cleared us. Quite a nice afternoon. They're showing cloud cover. Bits of lowish cloud, but nothing too much to worry about. So it should, in theory, be flyable sometime this afternoon. Again, with light southerly winds, but it's all down to timing. And if we fly, it'll be whoever's left here to fly. So, fairly unsettled picture. Bit hit and miss on timings, I suspect. Just sit and watch the rainfall radar and give you an idea when it is actually going to clear. Airspace wise, very little going on in the sort of Lasham area. I haven't particularly looked further afield. Number 30 just tucked in there is a firework display at Fleet, so for tonight, so no issue there. So no airspace issues locally for us to be concerned about. The only thing of note, there is no flight plan filed so far, but there is a notification that the 737 that went out yesterday afternoon will be coming back. Originally it was scheduled for this morning, but it'll be coming back when the weather clears. So sometime early afternoon, mid-afternoon, there'll be a 737 inbound to us, but no confirmation of the timing yet. Operationally, I have no idea what runway we're going to set up with the light southerly winds. I suspect it'll be probably on the main run. Which way, I don't know. It'll depend on which way the wind starts going at the time. So stick around, drink tea, or if you're on the afternoon session, give the office a call, see what time we start flying. Okay, thanks folks.